Guess what I just ordered? Oh my gosh, okay, I'm so excited. I ordered something. I'm so excited to open it. Okay, wait. Okay, for whatever reason, they decided to, like, child-proof this package. But, I feel like... Oh! It's me! I'm the sheep, guys. Oh my gosh. Jesus is washing me clean. Do y'all see that? Is this gonna fit? I know. Yes! I love it. I love it. Jesus is washing me clean. I am the lost sheep. Jesus had to come and clean. Listen. I love it. It's just a print now. It's not a painting, but that's okay. I love it so much. Jesus is in